Here's how to install the Google Chrome browser on your iPhone. Now let's first just head into the App Store. It might either be here, or if you don't see it, you can always just swipe all the way over to the app library and then search for App Store within the app library. Now we can download and install Google Chrome. Your iPhone comes default with Safari, which is Apple's web browser, but Google's web browser is Google Chrome. So on here, all we need to do is search for Chrome and hit search, and I'll show you how it works and how to download it. There's Google Chrome, just tap on it. And then you'll either see a little cloud with a download button, or you'll be able to see the button will say get in blue. So just tap on that and you'll be able to see sometimes it pops up with requiring a Face ID or the password for your account, but sometimes it just downloads it automatically. Now, after it downloads it, I'll show you where to find it and how to use it. You'll be able to see it sometimes adds it to the home screen, but if it doesn't, you're gonna swipe all the way to the left here, and then you can see at the top right is Google Chrome. Let's press and hold on it, and then from here, we're gonna hit add to home screen. So now it's on your home screen, you'll be able to easily access it from here. Let's tap on it to open it, and you'll be able to see it says make Chrome your own. It might automatically have basically your account recognized here. You can see Trevor Nace and my email, and I'm just gonna hit continue as Trevor, or you can go through the process of logging into your Google account. Now on here, do I wanna save this stuff? Let's say no thanks here. And now it says use Chrome by default. I can set the default web browser instead of Safari as Chrome just by tapping on make default in settings. And then it brings me to here, you can see default browser app. I can switch that from Safari over to Google Chrome. Now, if I press a link on any other website or any other app, it will open it up in Google Chrome instead of Safari. Now in here, let's just hit no thanks. And now we are on Google Chrome. I can tap on YouTube and it will take me to youtube.com, etc. I can browse all around Google Chrome and essentially go to websites that I want to visit in Chrome, not Safari.